Welcome! This feature is applicable when you use simple or comprehensive invoice print formats for plain paper. Open Item Master, press Alt-G and select Alter Master. Select Stock Item. In the item creation screen, press F12. Set Show More Configurations to Yes. Set Inclusive of Duties and Taxes option to Yes. Press Ctrl+A to save. In the Item Master, enter the inclusive rate under MRP details and enable Is inclusive of duties and taxes. Save the master. Press Alt+G. Select Create Voucher. Press F8. Press F12. Set Provide Rate Inclusive of Tax for Stock Items to Yes. Press Ctrl+A to save. Record a sales transaction. You can see the rate inclusive of tax and the rate separately. Press Ctrl+P. Select Preview. You can see the rate inclusive of tax. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.